You're gonna be that guy? 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 He's gonna be that guy? That guy? Buckle up, bitches! I just got back from celebrating my birthday out in Tejas. Those who are unfamiliar with French, that's Texas. Is it true that every 35 pounds you gain 1 inch? I said what I said.
You are strong and powerful.
That's what the Chinese distributor said. Did I ever tell you that story? It's kind of fucked. I went to go find some clothing to get shipped here so I could get printed, and I was looking for sizes. And I give them sizes that I need, and they're like, you're too strong and powerful. You try to fucking go with the big dog, bro. Woof, woof. You know who I am? And I was dumb and got a girl's name on me. What is the girl's name? They just found another girl with the same name. Ashley? No, that's a pretty shitty name. We should probably get another girl.
You get used to it.
What?
Saying like,
Just a recap for the TikTok that'll be made all this later. Client's name is Nick. Her brother's name is Nick. They are dating. Alright, you ready for the rap? Okay. Nobody said get up. I'm kidding. Go ahead.